We all run Google Ads. And on that platform, our money is spent daily. And from there, our target audience sees our ad and visits our website. But then after someone visits our specific website, and then if we create a remarketing list, so that particular set of audience that spent money to come to us and who was also interested in our product, our services, our website or our business, after they come to the website and then the landing page, they went back and didn't take the desired action or didn't fill out the inquiry form or bought, or whatever action we wanted them to take on our site, they did not. But then how can we miss out or let go such valuable data? So how do we gather that data and how we will create a remarketing list and then retarget them? It will be done like this, which I am going to teach you practically. So in today's video, I'm going to show you in detail how you can create a remarketing list practically. And then we can use that data for remarketing for the website visitors. We will now learn how to do that. Friends, you'll learn this very well. I'll explain it in a simple way and you'll easily create it. And with things like this, and then your ads are scaled up and you will get better results by optimizing your budget with the lowest possible costing. And the way we do all this for our clients, I will be teaching like that only. So then here, you can clearly see the Google Ads open on my computer screen. So the account that I have, so I have it open in front. Here, there is an option for tools. After clicking on that, I went to the shared library, which is in the audience manager. As soon as I went to the audience manager, below your data segment, you see a plus sign. It says create remarketing list. I'll click here. Here we can create them in many ways for website visitors, meaning landing page, home page, whatever it is. App users, if you have any app like YouTube. Google Analytics customer list. And we have lead form segment or create customer custom combination. These are all the things we can do. So here I'm going to show you based on website visitors. So I'll click on website visitors. You need to give the segment a name. Naming it is very important so that we are able to remember that we made it for the website or we made this for YouTube or on what date was it made on. The purpose of creating this is so that we will know in the long term all the particular remarketing list. It is because you can have 20 of them in your panel. But for using, so until you have named the segment correctly, you will get confused. Don't make this mistake. So like I'm putting in here MF. And then we will be writing website. List. And then, now which month is it? January. So then January 2025. So I created it in January. And I created a remarketing list for MF website for all the visitors who came to my website. And then I've named it customer type and I didn't add anything. Leave it as it is. And inside the segment members, two options, a website or web page that has visitors or visitors of a page with a specific tag. So no. Just leave the first one as it is so that I can target all the visitors who are coming to my web pages. Now action. So then here, are you targeting visitors who have come to your web page in the past 30 days? You need to subtract them. So you have made it 15. You have made it 60. So it is up to you what you want to do. I will leave it as it is. Define action. In this define action, we will have to put a page URL and we want that people go to visit the page and see the page. Contains. Now contains is there, then equals and starts with and then ends with. So here I will be selecting the contains option. Or I can select start with also. Now when I leave the options as contains here and when I will do this, then here I went to my website's homepage. And we created a dummy website for this. marketingfundas.co.in. But our main website is, so then that website is marketingfundas.com, okay? Where we provide digital marketing services and coaching. Okay, so this is our main website. Here, if you ever need to contact us, if you need our services or coaching, you can do it. I created this website to teach you, so I'm using the URL and then I will copy the home page. We went here and then I am going to paste this home page. Now if you see any random page from my website, let's say there is an about us page and a services page. It will come here with a slash. So there in this particular part of my URL, it will be in that. So then it will be contains. And it is written here, starts with. So then we will now. And I want to track all the data, the pages on my website that a person is visiting. I want that data. So then, obviously, when someone comes to my homepage and goes anywhere, they will be tracked. And then this will create a remarketing list. But then I don't want to capture the data of those people. Those who came to my website and filled out the inquiry form, gave their data, or let's say came to my website and bought a product. I don't want to capture their data, as why would I remarket to them? I'll target those who didn't take action. So here exclude people who have been taking the following action. So web page visit. Next, I'll go to the refine action page URL for contains. In contains, I'll put in here when someone fills out an inquiry form, then a thank you page comes up. Let's say someone is buying your product, then after that there is a thank you page in whatever page URL. So then I'm at the end part of it. I will copy it. Or you have to go here and then paste it. So wherever this is coming from, so then it means it's picking up all my URLs, but then the URL that has the thank you option, then in that one. It will not include that particular data in the remarketing list. After doing this, there are two options in the pre-fill options. Pre-fill segment with people who match the rules in the past 30 days. So what happens when Google creates this list? And then in that, did you create all the specific rules based on which the remarketing list will be made? Along with that, do you have the data for the past 30 days which is based on these rules? Does Google include that data in your remarketing list? Or if you are creating a list based on that specific data, then in that list, so start from that day, keep the segments empty, and the new data that comes in will be filled in. Now this is entirely your call. You have to see which option suits you best based on your requirements. After that, create a segment. After creating the segment, here my list is created, MF website list, January 2025. The data here will be populated now. It is a completely new list like the one you see above for YouTube. So this is already populated. And then we have the data that has been displayed below. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you need more than 1000 data points for it to start working. That's when your remarketing list is created and the data slowly increases. If you want good results, you need at least 1000 data points in your remarketing list, and then it will be very beneficial for you and you can use it. So in this particular way, you can also start to create your remarketing list of all the website visitors. And you can start remarketing and be able to get more conversions. But how will you practically implement all these things in ads? How will you create the ads? So we will teach you everything in this course. Okay friends, thank you.